Good evening, everyone. Am I live now? I think I should wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, we begin. Hi, everyone. My name is Kulsoom Sadif, and I am the owner of this page of Jannat Fashion Store. So, let me wait first for the people to join in. Let me see who all are joining in. Everyone who is joining, just send a hi to me so that I can know that you are here and I can begin with my webinar. Hi Ahmad. Hi Hassan. Hi Shruti. How are you? Thank you so much. Yes. So we are having people here who are joining us. Hi Ale. How are you? Yes, I'm good. Nice to see you all. Everyone, I was really excited to meet you all today on this webinar. And I think let more people join in as we have just begun. Then I'll just begin with the introduction and the topic for today, which is the lockdown fashion. And it is really the need of the hour, that lockdown fashion is the need of the hour. And what I'm going to tell you is will really change the meaning of fashion for you people today. Yes. Hello Hassan. Hi Shanur. So I'm good to it's good to see that more and more people are joining in. I was really excited for today's webinar, and finally we are here with each other discussing on lockdown fashion. So let me begin. People will be joining. I'll just brief them alongside. I would like to introduce Hi Alima, how are you? I would like to introduce myself as Kulsum Sadar, and I am the owner of this page, Jannat Fashion Store. I began this, I started this business back 5 years back, and since then I'm very much into it, and I like spending time with my customers, and अच्छा लगता है कि मैं इंटरेक्ट करती हूँ, नए नए लोगों के साथ मिलती हूँ एंड अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाती हूँ. I have customers all over India, like in Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, and outside India also. I have many customers in London, Melbourne, Australia, and US and Canada. So it's good that my business is expanding just because of few people and your support, and you're liking the products that I'm posting and all. So I hope that with your support, one day I'll just touch the sky and give you more services. Hi Mariam, hi Atia. I welcome you all to my webinar. So let us begin. The topic that I have chosen for my webinar today is lockdown fashion. Right, you heard it right. It's lockdown fashion. जब से कोरोना वायरस आया है ना, एवरीवन इज जस्ट घर पे बैठना है, बाहर नहीं निकलना है, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. फैशन तो पता नहीं फैशन सेंस कहाँ चला गया है. नो वन नोज के एवरीवन इज कंफर्टेबल इन देयर होम, एंड होम इज द न्यू फैशन, न्यू comfort is the new fashion, I should say. That comfort is a new fashion these days. People are more comfortable in lounge wears, just wearing simple pajama t-shirt at home, or simple shalwar suit at home. They are not willing to get ready, they are not willing to move out. What, not willing, but we don't have to move out, we have to stay at home. So that is the thing that I want to discuss today, that somewhere we have forgotten that fashion begins at home. Right. Hi Aliza. Hi Alicia. Fashion begins at home. Yes, you heard it right, that fashion begins at home. We are living through a period of time that is unlike any other. Yes, right. It is unlike any other. In decades, We have not been through such a hard time that we cannot move anywhere outside. कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, हमें घर पे ही रहना है. घर पे हम ज़्यादा सेफ हैं. किसी से मिलना नहीं है, कोई पार्टी नहीं करना है, कोई गैदरिंग नहीं करना है, कहीं नहीं जाना है. So it is a really very hard time for all that. Suddenly we have to change our lifestyle. Suddenly we do not have to move outside of the home. Comfort is a new fashion, right, Ahmed? That what I said, that comfort is a new fashion. That is a new fashion. The global coronavirus pandemic has dramatically shifted the way which we go about our day-to-day lives. Yes. And hi Shehwal, how are you? Hi everyone. I will be answering your questions. I will be answering your questions. I will be interacting with you all. I will be asking for your views and what are you doing for lockdown fashion and all. So basically, my store deals in all types of accessories, fashion clothing, fashion accessories, intimate jewelry. Whether it be like, I'll show you some intimate jewelries of my store. Like you can see this. If you know the terracotta art, have you seen the terracotta art? This is the terracotta necklace, and it is a very nice and very in fashion these days, and you can simply wear at your home also. Yes, see, it is such a beautifully put it. It is a handmade jewelry, terracotta jewelry. Earrings are also here. Terracotta earrings, you can see. The terracotta earrings are also very nice and they are very light to carry, and you can wear it very comfortably at your home also. See, they are looking nice. Thank you. So as I told you that comfort is the key, like comfort is the new fashion. So just let us start some little interaction. Okay? So tell me, what is fashion according to you people? What is the meaning of fashion according to you people? Tell me, I want to hear from you people. What is fashion? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Aliza. Thank you, Shanol. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Alicia, for the beautiful comments and liking the jewelry. I'll surely put the details about the terracotta jewelry on my page. Yes, I'm asking you people that what is fashion according to you people? आपको fashion आपके लिए क्या है? Is it only okay comfort? Right? I agree. Mariam, I agree with you. Fashion is comfort. And others, what is fashion for you? Well, I will tell you. Fashion, according to most of the people out there, is something that, yes, that makes you believe beautiful, right? Something that makes you believe that you're beautiful. Fashion is something that is trending in the market, or fashion is something that we see the actress or actresses wearing, or we just see. Fashion, in simple words, I can say fashion is dressing, right? Fashion is dressing, fashion is makeup, fashion is just looking pretty. That is what everyone thinks that fashion is. Well, through my this webinar, I'm going to change the meaning of fashion for you people. What is lockdown fashion? अब घर पे हम लोग लॉकडाउन में हर वक्त we don't even want to just comb our hairs at some time. We are so lazy. Just eat, sleep and repeat. Eat, sleep and repeat. That's what we are doing, right? So फैशन तो हम लोग भूल ही गए हैं घर पे लॉकडाउन में. पता नहीं फैशन मतलब फैशन एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा दैट वी विल बी जस्ट लाफिंग एट दिस टाइम के 2020 वॉज द ईयर कि जब फैशन कुछ था ही नहीं. घर पे रहते थे, तैयार क्या होना, फैशन क्या करना, घर पे रहना है. तो आई टेल यू व्हाट इज लॉकडाउन फैशन. आप लोग सब घर पे एक हेल्थ प्लान तो फॉलो करते होंगे ना? करते हैं या लॉकडाउन में सिर्फ काम में ही सब बिजी रहते हैं? इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Fashion is not only dressing up. Fashion is to deal with your health also. Health is the new fashion. Comfort is the new fashion, right? Health is the new fashion and comfort is the new fashion. And that is the new meaning of fashion for me. It's not that my store is dealing with accessories and dealing with the clothing, so I'm just focusing on dressing and all. Today's webinar is basically to focus on the health fashion. Yes, you heard it right. It is on health fashion. We can look beautiful at home, more beautiful at home. We all are beautiful, but we can look more beautiful at home during this lockdown by giving some extra time to ourselves. Yes, we can be just comfortable in our we can be just comfortable in our pajamas and t-shirt and simple lounge wears at our home, but along with that we have to look fresh, we have to look positive, right? That is the new meaning of fashion. We are not going anywhere outside to show anyone कि मतलब हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, हम तैयार होना है, वही फैशन है, पार्टी में जाना है, पार्लर जाना है, तो that that is the thing of past now, right? We have to be creative and bring something out for indoor fashion, right? So I'll give you some tips regarding it, like how can you look more beautiful at home just by focusing on a little bit on your health, right? So the first thing that I would like to tell you about this, that everyone should follow, is this. See, this is something that each and every one of us requires. The perfect the perfect 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Okay? The perfect 7 to 8 hours of sleep is the need of the hour. We are so much tensed in the lockdown that we are hardly feeling sleepy, or hardly we are getting the comfortable sleep, because we have that thinking in our mind that हमको कहीं जाना नहीं है, हमें घर पे रहना है. वो बात अलग है कि दिन भर हम थोड़ी थोड़ी देर पे naps लेते रहते हैं, but naps does not add to your health, right? Naps does not add to your health. आप ऊपर से जितना भी फैशन कर लो, राइट? आप ड्रेस अप हो जाओ, आप अपना मेकअप कर लो, आप अच्छी ज्वेलरी पहन लो, बट जब तक आप अंदर से फ्रेश नहीं हो ना, दैट फैशन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी विजिबल ऑन योर फेस. यस, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी विजिबल ऑन योर फेस जब तक आप अंदर से फ्रेश नहीं हैं. और अंदर से फ्रेश रहने के लिए इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू टेक अ प्रॉपर 7 to 8 hour sleep. Yes, I'm glad to know that each and every one of you is accepting and each and every one of you is agreeing with my points. So आज से आप लोग बोल देना ना सबको, फैशन इज न्यू कंफर्ट, कंफर्ट इज द न्यू फैशन एंड हेल्थ इज द न्यू फैशन. फैशन इज नॉट ओनली ड्रेसिंग. Okay, fashion is not only dressing, it is comfort is a new fashion. So next thing that I would like to tell you about this is that you should involve yourself in meditation. It is a very, very important thing. This is a very important thing for each and every one of you, that you should daily meditate at least for 10 to 15 minutes minimum. You can give more time. You will be more healthier from inside. अब लॉकडाउन में घर पे हैं हम लोग, काम क्या है? खाना है, सोना है, खाना है, सोना है, राइट? बट अगर हम थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करेंगे तो हम अंदर से फ्रेश होंगे. जब हम वापस दुनिया में जाएंगे, मतलब घर से बाहर जब हम फाइनली निकलेंगे आफ्टर सम टाइम, सम डेज व्हेन दिस पैंडेमिक विल बी ओवर, तो जो ग्लो हमारे फेस पे होगा ना, दैट विल बीट ऑल द आउटर फैशंस, राइट? दैट विल बीट ऑल द आउटर फैशंस. जो ग्लो हमारे फेस पे होगा ना, जो लॉकडाउन हमें ये मिला है, वी हैव टू स्पेंड इट लाइक दिस के हमें अपने लिए कुछ करना है इसमें, स्पेशली द लेडीज आउट देयर जो अपने लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं निकाल पाती हैं, राइट? हार्डली वी गेट एनी टाइम इन डेली लाइफ। इतनी बिजी शेड्यूल रहता है हमारा दैट हमें नहीं पता होता है कि हम अपने को कैसे टाइम दें। जब हमें कहीं पार्टी में जाना होता है, वी बुक एन अपॉइंटमेंट इन द पार्लर एंड जस्ट वी गो टू द पार्लर, वी टेक अ गुड फेशियल एंड we get a good makeup and we just go to the party, and after coming back from the party we are just removing our makeup and back to normal, right? That is what we do generally. But let us change with time, and lockdown के साथ हमें ये सीखना चाहिए that we have got an extra time to कि हम अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम दे सकते हैं जिसमें हम अपने ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे सकते हैं। तो क्यों ना हम इंटरनल ग्लो के ऊपर वर्क करें, इंटरनल फैशन के ऊपर वर्क करें, राइट? दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द आर्ट, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू फैशन बिगिंस एट होम। आप लोग ना मेरे कुछ पॉइंट्स नोट कर लेना टू टेल आगे लोगों को दैट फैशन बिगिंस एट होम, फर्स्ट थिंग। देन कंफर्ट इज द न्यू फैशन, सेकेंड थिंग। एंड हेल्थ इज द न्यू फैशन, third thing. Most important three things. And I hope that I'm able to tell you what is fashion in a different way. Right? घर पे भी आप अच्छे से तैयार हो सकते हो। अगर आप अच्छे से तैयार होकर घर पे रहोगे आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स लाइक प्रॉपर स्लीप, मेडिटेशन, then yes, of course, a proper healthy diet. That is what you also need at home. खाना है, सोना है, लॉकडाउन में सब करना है, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि खाने में सिर्फ हम लोग स्नैक्स ही खा रहे हैं, अनहेल्दी फूड खा रहे हैं। दैट विल नॉट ब्रिंग इंटरनल ग्लो ऑन योर फेस। आपके फेस पे ग्लो उससे नहीं आएगा कि आप बस अनहेल्दी फ्राइड फूड ही खा रहे हो हर वक्त घर पे, राइट? दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन एनी वे। यू हैव टू इंक्लूड प्रॉपर प्रोटीन डाइट, प्रॉपर फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स इन योर डाइट, ताकि आपके अंदर एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हो। When you will glow from inside, you will develop the self confidence in yourself. So that is what I want to convey from my webinar, that let us change the meaning of fashion in this lockdown and tell the world that fashion is not only dressing, but fashion is being healthy too, right? So the lockdown means that more people are spending more time at home and obviously wearing loungewear. But this virus also means that people are more focused on their health now. See, that's what I was telling you, that people are more focused on their health now. Yes, exactly. Because internal health is equally important than the outer appearance. Okay? So, let me take a break and wait for you people to ask me any questions, any doubts regarding till what we had discussed just till now. Then I'll move on further and we'll talk something more about related to lockdown fashion. Any questions, anyone? Yes, Mariam, you're right. And it is a very good habit drinking a healthy milk. Yes, from drinking, I remember that in your healthy plan, you should also include drinking lot of fluids and water. And you should take water, increase your water intake, right? At least 2 to 3 liters of water in these days, summers, will bring a natural glow on your face. That is a very nice tip for you all. Alicia, you can control your diet. As I told you, you can just eat healthy foods, include more fruits and vegetables, eat less oily food. Then you can have a balanced weight also. Good meditation tips. Yes, Mariam. You can, if you wake up early in the morning, then you can just go on your terrace or take some prefer some open area where you can get some fresh air, and you can just sit and do some yoga yoga. You can do some yoga and like Surya Namaskar or Alom Vilom, anything that you feel comfortable in. These yoga tips will help you a lot. Thank you, Atya. मेरे ग्लो का राज सिर्फ ये है कि I am drinking a lot of water these days. That's what I told you, that you have to drink a lot of water. Thank you, Asin. No, no, you should not eat junk food at all. Any one of you should not eat junk food at all. Okay, now coming back to lockdown fashion, let us discuss something about the latest fashion trends in the market. Being lockdown also, yes, Sana, something for healthy and glowing skin. The first thing is to take more and more fluids, eat iron rich fruits and vegetables. Like you, I'll suggest you to eat one apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It is a very old saying. So it is a very old saying and it is a very true saying that you should include apple in your diet. Okay. Yes, Aliza. Yes, you can also include water in your diet and juices. And one thing very important I would like to tell you, should include dates in your diet. Dates are a very rich source of iron and they are naturally sweetened, so it is not harmful to take it, and उससे आपको बहुत फर्क महसूस होगा. You will feel energetic from inside. Okay. 6-year-old is watching very happily. Oh, nice. Ayat, thank you, Ayat, for watching here and joining me in here. I hope my suggestions are working for you people. So, let us move on. What is the new lockdown fashion? Every one of us are aware that it is mask, right? Masks are also a new fashion. That is, mask has given a new meaning to fashion these days. Everyone wants a matching mask for their dresses. We are hardly having any parties or anything, but at home also we are wearing mask for safety precautions. अगर कोई बाहर जा रहा है, बाहर से अंदर आ रहा है, जिसका डेली ऑफिस जाना है या कैन नॉट अवॉइड गोइंग आउटसाइड डेली, तो मास्क इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. Okay, so my store is going to launch something new in this mask. Yes, Aliza, we will be giving you matching mask also. We are very soon manufacturing something very different and very fashionable and very nice thing into the mask. See, I'll just show you how to wear this one. ये ना बिल्कुल अलग चीज़ है. This is a sample that I'm going to show you. मास्क भी ऐसा होना चाहिए ना मरियम कि आपको लगाए लगाए मास्क दर्द ना हो, and you feel comfortable and fashionable at home too. See, this mask works as it has a hook at the back. It works as a, like, ऐसे आपने इसको लगा लिया, ठीक है? I'm wearing it like a scarf. See, it is looking nice, everyone. Is it looking nice, everyone? See, now I'll show you magic in this. See, I'll show you a magic in this now. I have an attached mask here. Just see. You don't have to do anything. Yes, it works as a stole also, Lisa. It is a scarf. It has an attached mask. So very soon we are going to manufacture these and I'll be updating it on my page. You people can find it at a very reasonable rate. And if you don't want to put it on, you can just remove it and do it like this and be comfortable wearing a scarf. So, like this. Thank you, everyone. very soon. Jadoo, exactly, it is a Jadoo, Mariam. Thank you, Alicia. Thank you, Shiny. Thank you, Hassan. Thank you, Atia. Yeah, sure. Thank you, Haseen. Thank you, Juan. Everyone, thank you. And the terracotta jewelry also, I'm going to introduce it very soon on my page. I'm going to introduce these masks on my page at very reasonable cost. You will get it. The terracotta earrings. See, and my next webinar will be on something related to silk thread jewelry. See, these bangles. These are silk thread bangles. I will be giving the next webinar. Yes, Aliza, we will be having these masks for sale very soon. I have shown you the sample and these are under process, and it will be available on a very reasonable price. The price will be quoted on the our page when we post the pictures of these masks on our page. You'll get to know the prices also. So, yes, I will tell you the price, everyone. Just have some patience regarding the price. I will tell you when I will post the pictures on the page. You'll get to know the prices also. Now, what I was telling you is, I'll be taking the next webinar on this, which is silk thread jewelry. It is a very in thing. Silk thread is something that each and every one of us like to wear, whether it is earrings, whether it is bangles, whether it is necklace or anything, right? Silk thread. So I'll show you in my webinar, in my next webinar, that how to make these bangles. Okay, how to make these bangles during the lockdown. You can also spend your time doing such things and involve yourself in making and creating your own fashion at home, right? You can just spend time in. Yeah, thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Alicia. Thank you, Sana. Yes, I'll be having more masks and I will just inform you people. So, how many of you like silk jewelry, silk thread jewelry? I have a collection of it, whether it be earrings, bracelet, or bangles. These bangles I have made myself. I'm not able to show you the proper picture of it, but you can find it on my page. It is already there on my page, which I have made on my own. The silk thread bangles. Yes, you can find it, and I'll show you in my next webinar that how to utilize the waist bangles at your homes. At your home, you all must be having waist bangles at your home. तो उन वेस्ट बैंगल से आप इतनी अट्रैक्टिव और किसी भी साइज़ की, किसी भी विड्थ की आप बना सकते हो। आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए होगा, सारा सामान आपके घर में होगा। सिंपल सिल्क थ्रेड से आप कितनी खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी, सिंपल बैंगल्स, जो वेस्ट बैंगल्स आपके घर पे पड़े रहते हैं ना, उससे आप बना सकते हो। आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेक इट इन माई नेक्स्ट वेबिनार। ओके, so I think that is enough for today, and it was really nice. And I just want to revise, I just want to just recall few things from my webinar so that you people can tell other people also. Like, first, what I told you was that fashion, comfort is the new fashion, health is the new fashion. Okay, so you people have to focus more on your health than looking or than dressing up more nicely. I'm not asking you people to wear your regular party wears at home, obviously not. That is not the new fashion, lockdown fashion, that we wear all the party wears at home. So we we can just be simple in a loungewear and look healthy and look fresh from our face, and our face can. Yes, I would like to give you one more tip. Like, these days when we wake up in the morning, we just wash our face and we are not we just do our breakfast and all. But I would like to give you one tip that daily जब आप morning में सो के उठते हो ना, you should apply surely apply moisturizer on your faces. That will give you an extra glow and you will look fresh throughout the day in your home. Okay? Okay, people, it was a really nice session with you all. Thank you everyone for your time, and thank you everyone for listening to me and appreciating my thoughts. Hope to see you all in my next session. Till then, be healthy, take care of yourself, and create and follow the new meaning of passion and create your own passion at home. Okay? See you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. See you in our next session.